Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let's get into today's video. So today I will be testing out this Modelones Polygel kit, and I got this from Amazon, and I also show this in my nail haul video. So if you want to check out that unboxing, you can. And also, I'm basically using everything in this kit. So it comes with like dual forms, a gel lamp, and the top coat, the base coat, and a gel brush. Sorry, I meant to say UV lamp, LED lamp. It's a mini lamp, and it also comes with this 180 grit nail file.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So here's everything that it comes with, and next I will be swatching the colors for you guys. So the first color I am going to swatch is this silver polygel, and sorry guys, some of them were hard to open, so you see me having a little difficulty opening up that tab. But this is the silver. Then I did the gold neck.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nose.
This is the outcome, guys. And so for this Halloween set, I decided that I was going to use these dual forms. And remember, I hate dual forms, but I said let me try it again. So I'm going to use the gold, the silver, the color changing orange, and the light pink. And for my slip solution, I'm going to use alcohol and the gel brush that it comes with. So here are my nails, and I'm gonna get just straight into my usual pushing, which I start off by pushing.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
So this is how they looked after I was done. Now let me give you a review. Like, oh my god, OMG. This is exactly why I do not use dual foams. I hate them so much. The shape came out so ugly. They are super thin. Now the polygel itself was so sticky, and that's why I don't know if you saw me like having to go back so many times in the alcohol to use it as a slip solution, because it kept sticking to my brush so much. So, you know, and I also have a previous Modelones kit too, and I was just like, all right, let me try it out again. No, sorry, but Modelones is not one of my go-to polygels. Their polygel is just too sticky for me. And so because these nails came out so thin, I literally did the whole process over again. Yes, I did the exact same thing over again. The UV lamp was not strong enough. You know, I thought because it was made by Sun that it would be good, because I've used Sun LED products or LED lamps several years, like 2 years now, and they make really good lamps, but this mini did not really cure as fast, or like it took pretty much longer to do. And I understand it's a mini, but I have flashlights, you know, LED flashlights that cure faster than that, and I just didn't like the LED lamp. Now, like I said, it was so sticky that's why I had to do the middle finger last, because when I was doing the gold, you can see that it would stick, the silver was going to stick with the gold, and I didn't want to mix it, so I had to do the middle finger last. But yeah guys, you know, would I use Modelones again? Most likely not. I just am not a fan, and like I said, you're gonna see me doing this whole process over again here, and I'm just speeding it up and so you guys could see the final look. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think, if you guys worked with Modelones before, if you like it, if you don't like it. So here I'm just filing it trying to get it into a nice tapered square look, you know, trying to get the sides straight. Because of that dual form, it has that curve look, which I'm not a big fan of. I'm sorry, I don't like curved nails, but some people do, but I just don't. And so I'm trying to file it down. I have no idea why I didn't use my nail drill, but I think it was because I figured the polygel is polygel, so it's easier to file, and plus it was thin. But no, it wasn't having it, and it was giving me such a hard time to get it into the shape that I wanted it. You know, I was really kind of disappointed in this set and the outcome, but you guys will see, and you guys can let me know what you guys think. Now guys, this is the final look. It didn't come out that bad, you know, with the decorations. Definitely made it look better, but so much work needed to be done. You know, I feel like the pinky should have been longer, the middle finger should have been shorter. The shape definitely needed to be straighter. I don't know, just like I said, this is definitely not one of my favorite sets. But let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me in my videos and subscribing and liking and comment. I appreciate you guys so much. And I will see you guys next time.